Hello traders, today we're going to talk about the Sonic trading system. We're going to look at the signals. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, and I'm going to go short, and I am looking to see the market continue to go lower. I'm going to take a few of these trades. I'm going to show you and explain to you why we're going short. There are a few rules before we begin. Remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. My name is John Paul. I'm the founder of DayTradeToWin. The Sonic system is proprietary and it's based on price action. So this signal here to go short was the 5th in a row to the short side. Let me add the text and marker here so you can see exactly where I entered. I like this signal because it's right in between the target and the stop. I look for that. I also look for a better signal or a better entry. Sometimes I wait for the market to get a better entry, better fill. Let's go on to the next trade here. I also want to recommend that if there's any news events happening, that we always wait until the news event is over. There's another signal here to go short, 75.48 quarter. Again, it's the same idea. I have the stop provided by the Sonic system. I have the target. It's a very straightforward way of trading. You don't have to do too much analyzation. The only thing I recommend is that every signal be lower than the previous, because that means that the strength and the health of the trend to the downside is on our side. So I don't want to go short if the signals are higher and higher. I want to go short only if the signals show me that are lower and lower. So this is not a trend following system, but it is price action based. Now let's go on to the next signal. This is now the second signal that I've taken. Again, this is probably the 6th or 7th signal to the short side, but I'm only taking 2. Here's one more. It's also lower. You can see 75.43.75. So that means this is a good opportunity to be a seller. So I'm going to go short, see if I can get short. The target and the stop is provided by the Sonic system. You don't have to do too much filtering, although I like to include the trade scalper or maybe even the blueprint or the Atlas line, something that will help me to say there's nothing conflicting and everything is on my side. So I'm going to just speed this up here again so we can save some time, and I want to see the market go in my favor. Another thing that I also notice is that the longer that the trade stays against you, so these are 1 minute candles, 1 minute chart, the worse off you are. So if you enter into a trade, all right, the target is hit as well. If you enter into a trade and the signal or the trade that you're in is actually going against you for an extended amount of time, you want to get out of that trade. So each one of these signals, it almost immediately went in my favor. That's what I look for. Now I want to show you what happened earlier today where the market went up, and now we can take a look at some long trades as well. All right, so here we are in the morning. Market open at 9:30, and I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 signals to the long side. Now, I don't recommend that you take the first maybe 1 or 2 trades as the market opens. It's very volatile. But as the market continued at 9:45 or 9:50, 9:55, 10 o'clock, 10:05, these trades are all good. I think that going long after 5 or 10 minutes, the market opens and settles down is a good thing. And then, as you can see, the market started to go down. I did not take the first short trade here, as you can see, but after the market made 2 or 3 signals to the short side, that's when I jumped in to the short side. And I think that's the right way to go about it, because we want to make sure that there aren't any flip-flops or any chopping around type of scenarios. So here we have 1, 2. I think a lot of traders started heading short using the Sonic system on a second, even the third short trade here. And then after the third short trade, we can see that the market is very strong to the downside, right? The sellers now are in control. Here's another short signal. And now this is where I started paying very close attention and wanting to sell the market, as you can see earlier in the video. So that's how the morning played out. Longs, give it a few minutes, and then you can go long if the signals are on the right side. And then to the short side, this is where I started paying attention, and now I'm going short. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com, sign up for a free member account, and see how we can trade price action using the Sonic system as well as all our other software. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView.